It's that super no shima flow. Yeah, it's that.
What is up, guys and gals? It is Brandoncoin back, and I'm doing a little bit of an office update video. Please excuse some of the boxes because I finally am now getting unpacked. It's been like a never-ending process, but yeah, let me flip the camera around and show you guys what we're working with. All right, so coming into the threshold right here, I'm gonna have, well, I already have this desk right here. This is gonna be the gaming machine. Boom. So that's for gaming and basically anything personal. And then over on this side of the room, this is the streaming, editing, video, and also work computer. So I do own a small business, and I want to keep that separate from my day-to-day gaming and YouTubing and stuff. So that's why anything that makes money essentially will be happening on this computer. So when I'm processing video or uploading videos, it's going to be happening over here. And then when I'm playing some video games and doing whatever else I do, I'm over here. So yeah, over here is just some shelving, nothing crazy. We got the Octo Miner up there. I'm going to put some more cards in there and mount the power supply down there. I'm gonna have that thing up and running hopefully this evening. And then right here, I plan on this being kind of like a little workbench area where I can break down and put stuff back together, vice versa. I do like that these desks have kind of storage underneath that's like snacks right now, but eventually I'll get that figured out. And that it's got more storage right there. I do have a little closet for storing some stuff. You know, so we're good to go in there. And yeah, so that is basically the office. All these boxes, I got to break those down, and I'm probably going to be like a lot of those extra parts and stuff, just putting those into the office, or into I keep saying office, but the closet. I might get another one of those little organizer things so that way I can kind of stack them up. But essentially, I want this room basically like open. So this whole area is going to be open. I want to get a bigger mat and kind of have the mat come all the way over so I could, you know, roll over to here, roll over to there, or maybe just have another chair right there. I've been toying around with the idea of like a portable green screen. That way I can plop a green screen up and take it down whenever I'm doing videos. I don't know. Let me know down below in the comments if it would bother you to see like a setup in my background. Here, for example, I'll set it up and. Alright, so I think it'd be something like this. I'm just holding my my phone up on the other computer, but yeah, that would be my background. Is that gonna bother you guys? Do you think I should spend the extra time to put a green screen like right here behind me? Or yeah, all this like trash of boxes should be gone. But yeah, I'm liking it. I'm happy with it. So hopefully we're gonna get there. Yeah. Alright, and giving people an update on what I got going on for system specs. Ryzen 7 1700, 16 gigs of DDR4 RAM, got the G.Skill rip draws, and then I have a 1660 and a 1650 in there. Mainly because when I'm processing and stuff, I don't do anything too crazy, no 4K or nothing like that. I don't need a ton of horsepower, but in the meantime, while I'm not using this computer, I put those little bad boys to work, and they do pretty good, especially for the power that they draw. They don't draw a ton of power. That is my streaming, gaming, editing machine. I can't do streaming until I get fiber in, but right now it's just going to be uploading videos and then handling my work stuff. I am going to be putting a printer, or my laser printer, either, I don't know if it's up top or maybe down below, but I'm going to be putting it over there somewhere. And now for my gaming PC, I have a GTX 1080. It's actually a Founders Edition card. I like those cards. They look really good. And then a Core i5 2500K. So actually a pretty old CPU, but it doesn't bottleneck that 1080 really much at all, just because Intel's IPC on the older generations was pretty good. 16 gigs of RAM. I actually only have 8 gigs in there because I need to put the other couple sticks in, but these sticks actually have LEDs in them, and I didn't know how I was going to feel about it. But a Dr. Hash from the Discord hooked me up with those. And then look at my case. We suffered a little bit of a disaster in moving, so the case is a little dented up. Might end up swapping that out eventually. I don't know. It doesn't really bother me. And then as for monitors, got a 27-inch and a little baby monitor just over on the side for running like Discord and stuff. So ladies and gentlemen, that's pretty much the setup. The only cards I'm going to mine on up in the office, well, the only motherboard I'm going to mine on up in the office is this one, the Octo Miner, so that way I can put 8 cards max. More like I'll probably run 4 or 5 just to keep them spaced out. And then everything else, I don't want to overload this circuit any more than it probably already is going to be. Everything else will be handled downstairs in the garage once I get fiber in, because right now I'm running on 1 meg and it's spotty. I guess if it was constant and stable it'd be different, but yeah, a little spotty. So guys, thank you for watching. This is Brandon on Brandoncoin, and there's my backyard. Looks like the Sahara Desert, and we'll see you next time. Adios.